Next up, Celebrity Crash for Handshake and Dirt Digger for Banshee. In this, we need to find a VHS and take it back to either one of the two vendors. Now, unfortunately, you can't take it to both of them. It can only be one, meaning that this is another choice quest. You can only boost one of your vendors with this extra XP. The mission will fail for the other one. Now, in order to get this done, you'll need to come all the way up to the far north side of the map over here, Midnight Sapphire, and fight in the villas here. You're heading across to the furthest southeast building along this row over here. What we need to do is head inside of this. It's a very small building, and when we get inside of here, you'll find on the table just over here a VHS roughly over here. Once you pick this up, you can take it back to spawn and consider this mission done, picking one of the two vendors to give it back to. It's very simple, no keys required or anything, and there's usually a couple of bots. There's one that I found just outside here, but they're relatively sparse in the far eastern side over here. They are well armored and pretty well armed. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.